Welcome everyone. Today we will create this sheet metal clamp in SolidWorks, using features such as base flange, edge flange, and jog. We will also use the form tools to deform the sheet metal into the desired shape. So let's get started. Start with New File. Select Part. Make sure the dimensions are in mm. Now left-click on this front plane and then right-click to choose Sketch. Select this center point arc. From origin, draw arc in anti-clockwise direction. Now draw a center line so we can make this arc symmetric. Select both these endpoints of the arc and then select the center line and right-click to choose Symmetric Relation. Select this arc and set angle here 270 degree. Go to Smart Dimensions and enter a radius of 12.5. Exit Sketch. Now look for this Sheet Metal option in the Above tab. If not found, then right-click here on the tab menu and check this Sheet Metal options. Select Sketch and click on the base flange. Here, keep condition mid-plane and enter a length of 50 mm and sheet metal thickness of 1 mm. Click OK to create. Now we have to extend the edge of this base, so select the edge flange options here. Click inside of this base flange and click anywhere to extend the length. Enter angle of 45 degrees so the edge becomes straight. Enter the length of 22 mm. Click OK to complete. Repeat the same steps for edge flange too. Now select this face of the edge flange to draw the sketch. Draw a horizontal line like this. From Smart Dimension, enter a distance of 10 mm. Exit Sketch from here. Now draw the same line on the opposite face too. Choose Jog from here, and select the line which we draw earlier. First we have to select the fixed face, so select the face behind the line. Enter the jog offset of 8 mm. Enter the jog angle of 45 degrees, and then click OK to exit. This jog feature created an offset or step in a sheet metal part. This jog adds stiffness to the sheet metal, making it more rigid. Repeat the same steps for the opposite face. Select this face to draw a sketch. You can change the orientation from here and select the required view to draw sketch. Select line and draw the horizontal line. Enter length of 23 mm. Select center point arc, and from the end point of this line move downwards here and left-click to mark the center point of the arc. Starting from the end point, draw the arc like this. Enter radius of 20 mm. Now draw a line from below to this arc by keeping the relation tangent. Close the sketch. Trim the extra portion of the arc. Exit sketch and select base flange of 1 mm thick. Select base flange here. Thickness of 1 mm will be added. We have to mirror this part on the opposite side, so select mirror. Choose right plane as mirror plane and then select tab feature to mirror. Now we have to create a die to deform this clamp into required shape. So we will select a new part for that forming tool. Keep dimensions in mm. Select the top plane to draw the sketch. Draw a circle of diameter 40 mm. Exit sketch and extrude it up to thickness of 3 mm. Select the top face to draw the sketch. Draw 2 circles from the origin like this. Enter diameter of 10 mm and 20 mm for the circles. Choose center line and draw it in a horizontal direction like this. Now draw a center point arc from the origin. Enter arc angle of 60 degrees here. Select both the end points of the arc and center line to make it symmetric about the center line. Enter radius of 15 mm for this arc. Now draw line from end point of this arc to the outer circle on both sides. Draw vertical center line to mirror these outer lines. Select mirror entities and then select the lines to mirror and then mirror about this vertical center line. Trim the inner portion like this. Add fillet around the edges. Enter fillet radius of 2.5 mm. Select the remaining edges to make the corner radius of 2.5 mm. Exit the sketch. Now extrude the sketch to a thickness of 1 mm. Now add fillet of 0.50 mm on the top face of this profile. Now from Sheet Metal tab, select the Forming Tool option. We have to select the stopping face, so select this below face. And for insertion point, select the origin point. Click OK. Our form tool is now created. Save as this part and look for different file formats here. We have to select .form file format. Create new folder in which this .form file can be saved. Give the name of this form tool as per your wish. We saved it as die. Now minimize this tab and get back to your main part, which is pipe clamp. Select this face to draw a sketch. We will mark a point here which we'll use as a reference. Mark the point for the opposite side of the face too. Go to Design Library. Under Routing option, look for the folder in which we saved Die Form tool. Select die and drag it over to face of this clamp. Select Flip tool to flip the side of the die. Set the rotation angle to 90 degrees. Now go to Position tab and press Escape key. Select the origin point and the reference point we created and right-click to make them coincide. Click OK to complete the forming. You can see here that our sheet is now deformed as per the tool we design and saved as die. Repeat the same steps for the other side of the clamp. Now select this face to draw sketch. From the slot options, select the center point arc slot and draw a curved slot from the center point. Give it a radius of 15 millimeters. Enter slot width of 4 millimeters. Draw a vertical center line to make the slot symmetric. Draw a horizontal center line to mirror this slot. Exit the sketch and select the Extrude Cut option to cut the slot. Apply condition through all both. In the Features option, go to Hole Wizard and select this Drilled Hole option and select the drill size of 4 millimeters. Keep condition through all. Now set the position of this hole. From here, by selecting the origin point here, choose this face to draw the circles. Keep the diameter of circles 6 millimeters and center distance of 30 millimeters after mirroring this circle about the vertical center line. Exit sketch and select Extrude Cut to cut these holes. Our clamp is now fully created. You can assign the material from Appearance Manager here. Hope you learned new features by creating this clamp. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel. If you have any queries, please comment below. Thanks for watching.